Listen up, friends. Are you tired of the same boring, tasteless diet snacks? Do you find yourself craving something satisfying, but don't want to wreck your healthy eating plan? Let's face it, finding low-carb snacks that are both delicious and good for you can be a real pain. Well, get ready to ditch those cardboard-flavored rice cakes, because I'm about to show you 7 unbelievable superfood snacks that are not only low in carbs, but also packed with flavor and nutrients. We're talking about snacks that will fuel your body and taste delicious. Stay tuned, because these game-changing snacks will have you wondering why you ever settled for bland and boring in the first place. Finding decent low-carb snacks is like trying to find a decent chef in my town. An absolute nightmare. You walk into the shops, excited to find something to satisfy your cravings, but all you're met with is a pathetic selection of processed junk filled with artificial sweeteners and ingredients you can't even pronounce. It's enough to make you want to pull your hair out. But listen, I'm here to tell you that it doesn't have to be that way. There's a whole world of delicious and healthy low-carb snacks out there just waiting to be discovered. First up, we've got edamame, packed with protein and fiber, perfect to keep you full. Next, seaweed snacks, a fantastic source of iodine for a healthy thyroid. For a sweet tooth, raspberries and blackberries. Low in carbs, high in antioxidants. Olives, a great source of healthy fats and antioxidants. Chia seeds, packed with fiber, protein, and omega-3 fatty acids. Finally, avocado, a fantastic source of healthy fats, fiber, and potassium. 7 superfood snacks low in carbs, packed with flavor and nutrients. Try them. Avocado, the king of low-carb snacks. Now let's focus one of my favorites, avocado, for a few. This creamy green fruit is a nutritional powerhouse, and it's incredibly versatile. You can add it to salads, smoothies, or even just eat it on its own with a sprinkle of salt and pepper. And the best part, it's incredibly satisfying and will keep you feeling full and energized for hours. One of the reasons avocado is so good for you is because it's loaded with monounsaturated fats, which are the good fats that can help lower cholesterol and reduce your risk of heart disease. It's also a great source of fiber, which is essential for a healthy digestive system. So next time you're looking for a healthy and satisfying snack, reach for an avocado. Trust me, your taste buds and your body will thank you for it. Do yourselves a favor and ditch the rubbish. Embrace the superfoods. Let's quickly recap these game-changing snacks. Edamame, seaweed snacks, raspberries, blackberries, olives, chia seeds, and avocado. These are your new secret weapons in the fight against boring and unhealthy snacking. Remember, these snacks are not only low in carbs, but also bursting with nutrients. They'll give you the energy you need to power through your day without sacrificing your health goals. So, what are you waiting for? Head to the shops and stock up on these incredible superfoods. Your body will thank you for it. Share your favorite low-carb snacks. Now we want to hear from you. What are your favorite low-carb snacks? Share your go-to recipes and ideas in the comments below. Let's create a community of healthy eaters who are passionate about delicious food that nourishes our bodies. And remember to subscribe to this channel for more amazing recipes and clean nutrition tips. Until next time, keep eating what's good for you. Level up your snack game. Listen, beloveds, healthy eating doesn't have to be a punishment. It's about finding delicious, nutritious food that makes you feel fantastic. These 7 superfood snacks are a game changer, providing you with the fuel you need to conquer your day. So, ditch the processed junk and embrace these incredible superfoods. Now get out of my kitchen and go make something delicious.